All right, what is going on, everyone? So this is a long-awaited video that you guys wanted. My mom is here. Today is her birthday, so if you want to wish her a birthday, comments down below. We would really appreciate that. But she is going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. Wait, what's so funny?
No, I'm just laughing since you said, today's her birthday and I'm going to be the one unboxing with your big knife. I don't know if I can,
Yes.
if I can use your big knife to unbox this special gift.
You don't have to. You can use the pull tabs on the back, but if you want to use the unboxing knife, you can.
Okay, I'll see if I can match up with you.
All right, so do you want to unbox the 14 Pro or the regular 14?
Let's start with the 14.
Okay. So this is the 14 Pro. We're going to unbox this one in a second. So do you want the unboxing knife?
Okay. I'm going to try to see if I can unbox like a pro like you.
Okay.
I'm not going to flip the knife like you do.
Okay, before we do this, we have to give credit where credit is due. Where was this phone made?
California.
From California, but where was it made? It was designed in California, but it was made somewhere else.
Designed in California, of course it was made in China.
That's correct. Assembled in China.
Yes.
All right.
Unboxing with a big giant knife. Let's start. Am I doing this correctly? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'll take the knife.
Wow, I can do this.
Okay, careful with the knife.
Let's see. Apple. I need to make this easy on everyone. I don't want to break my nail unboxing this.
Apple.
Apple? Come on now. There should be a special way to do this.
Okay, we can just pull the tabs off.
Okay, let's do it with the tab. Well, I'm coming from an old iPhone 10R. And
that was 5 years ago, I believe.
that was a long time ago. And he just gave me iPhone 11. I'm just getting adjusted to 11. Now, I skipped 12. I skipped 13. And
you skipped the 10s too.
10X. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to iPhone 14. I'm so excited.
But you're getting the 14 Pro.
I'm getting the 14 Pro. Okay, this is the back with the camera.
It's like a baby blue.
Okay, this color is baby blue. And let's see. Take this off.
Yeah. It's your unboxing.
Wow. Well, the regular looks kind of not turning it on. If I don't turn it on, it looks regular like my phone.
Yeah, pretty much.
But let's see. It's a little bit square.
Yeah, it's more square.
More square on the side. And this 14 looks shiny and fancy.
As Apple does. Fancy.
It's fancier than my 11.
All right, not that fancy.
Oh, he got to do the sniffing. He got to sniff.
What does it smell like?
Let's see.
I know what it smells like. It smells like Expo erase marker almost.
Yeah.
Like chemically.
I don't know what Apple used with this product, but it's not.
It definitely smells like they disinfected it before they shipped it out.
It's not really a pleasant smell, but you know, with all this age of sanitizing everything, so maybe because of COVID. Anyway, we're turning it on like usual. Hello message.
Hello in different languages.
And hello.
All right, so you can go through the entire setup process.
Okay. Hola. Hola.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Or is it Xiao? This is the 12.
iPhone. Oh my.
So can you tell the difference?
Of course.
What's the difference?
Okay, the island is kind of wider in the 12 than the 14. And it's a little bit raised and like higher. Then it's square, but the square, if you look at the thickness, The 14 is a little bit thicker
Yeah.
than the 12.
We're gonna have to fact check that, but it looks thicker.
Yes, it does.
The
Right.
camera bump is definitely bigger too.
Oh, you know why? The camera bump probably raised it up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not really thick. I'm sorry. Yeah, Apple's kind of cheated here. The camera is kind of sticking out.
Yeah.
Kind of bump it up.
So this is the part where you have to set up the eSIM. You don't have to, you can set up later in settings, but this is a screen most people are gonna see nowadays where you can't just pop in your SIM card anymore. So
Oh, you're telling me this one doesn't have SIM card?
yeah, so even the regular 14 doesn't have a SIM card. So it's just blank.
Oh,
So all US
Apple,
phones.
why did you take the SIM card away? I thought this phone has SIM card. Oh, I'm so excited, but I don't know. I need to check the pros and cons of having a SIM card or going without SIM card.
Wait,
So-
I made a video on this.
No, I'm talking. I'm doing. There's not much difference between my 11, looking at the screen, and this 14. Apple, I'm thinking you're gonna do something
Innovative?
that I'm gonna really feel like I'm upgrading to a new phone.
No, it's not Apple. You gotta go to Android for that.
But I'm looking at mainly almost the same with my phone, but just more elegant.
Hmm.
The island look fancy. It's smaller.
Wait, when you say island, do you mean the notch?
Oh no, I'm talking about this.
This part that humps in?
Yeah,
Okay.
I call it island. Is that not the name?
We can call it island in the video.
Okay, I call it island, so it looks the same.
That's the problem with iPhones. They all look the
Nothing,
same.
nothing fancy with this phone, but maybe the technology involved maybe fancier. But looking at the physical phone, it looked like
The same.
iPhone 13,
And this came out 2 years ago.
and it's a little bit heavier than the 12.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn the volume off. And you just describe to me what you think of the display.
This is Italy, and looking at the display, I love it. It's sharper than
Yeah.
my phone. Remember, I'm coming from iPhone 11,
Yeah.
and
Definitely sharper.
I really love this. What I'm looking at right now.
Yeah, the colors are very vivid.
It's really bright and sharp. I like it. I feel like I'm on the ground in Italy right now.
That's always what I say when it looks really good.
I'm loving it.
All right, now, and you know the Pro that you're getting has a better display than this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, now we got to test out the speaker. So you tell me how it sounds.
I mean, I can hear I mean, yeah.
The
The
footsteps.
quality is real. It's amazing. Love it. Love it. I'm gonna love this gift that was released on my birthday. It's real nice. I feel like I'm beside the beach enjoying Italy.
Yeah. Speakers are really good.
Yeah. The picture, man,
Yeah.
it's real nice.
Sharp. All right, next up, the one thing that people care about, camera.
Oh, you're right. That's the reason why I'm getting this phone.
All right, let's look at these two photos. You described to me the quality.
Oh, it's good.
Just good?
It looks more natural.
Mm.
The quality of the picture is really it's awesome. Awesome. Love
Yeah,
it.
it's really good for a front-facing camera.
Yeah. And this is the
Portrait.
I don't like the portrait.
You don't? Wait, why not?
Mm,
It's not as sharp as the other one?
no.
Yeah, the other one is definitely better.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, let me do this one. Okay, this one, yeah, your face is really shiny for some reason.
But this one
Yeah.
is good, but
And this is the other one I took. You see how this one's more shiny?
sure. Shiny, shiny.
Almost like you're sweating.
Oh, I'm not.
Yeah, you're not. That's all just natural oil.
They.
So what do you rate it out of 10? 10?
I'll rate this as 8.
8?
Okay, to finish the unboxing, we already see what came in the box. As usual, Apple product. We have the phone, which we already went through.
Oh, this is upside down.
Oh yes, okay. We have the phone, which of course, Apple.
I will say though, this has a lot of fingerprints. But
yeah,
most people are gonna have a case anyway, so.
yeah, so it won't make any difference. And what's this? Let's see what's in there.
Sticker.
Sticker, of course. And
Oh, is this information about cell service? Yeah, you no longer need a physical SIM card.
oh, okay. To let people know they don't need SIM card. The charger, that's it. Nothing else.
I will say, since you're coming from the 10R and 11, do you prefer the square design or do you prefer the curve?
Well, I have to use it first
That's true.
before I can tell if I prefer. I think I love the square already. I already fell in love. I mean,
I prefer the curve design.
well,
I mean, some people like it.
I mean, I like it.
I'm an outlier.
I like it.
So are you gonna toss the phone?
I don't want to drop this phone. You can do your magic of tossing it. I don't want to drop it. But that's unboxing iPhone 14.
So this is. Oh, you want to do the outro?
Coming from iPhone 10R and 11, if you have the old iPhone and you've been wanting to upgrade to 14, you cannot go wrong. This is the best move to upgrade to iPhone 14. I love it. It looks nice. If you enjoy this unboxing video, click subscribe, like it, and share your view with other
I like that.
viewers, and enjoy it. And look forward to more unboxing on this channel.
Will you be in the video or just me?
Oh, it depends. I might be in the video.
Okay.
Or it might be me.
Okay.